y'all? It's Marissa Evans, better known as Twist with Wrist. I just want to thank you all for tuning in to my first YouTube video, and I just want to thank you all for following me on this journey. I've been natural since 2013, and I did 2 big chops. This is my second big chop since 2017. So I just want to show you all on how I take care of my hair, how I manage my hair, how I style my hair. And today's video is a very traditional style for me. It is my go-to hairstyle, my favorite style, which is a flat twist. As you can see, it has lots of volume, it has a lot of definition, has a little bit of shine. So please stay tuned and I will show you all how I achieved this hairstyle. Hey! y'all, so that is it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you all. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please just let me know how y'all like it. Let me know what else y'all want to see. Let me know what questions y'all have. Please share. Please inbox me. My Instagram name is twistwithriss_. And please share, comment, like, and subscribe. And see you next time.